Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust ISO settings on LeadEdge A20 camera. And to do this, first we'll need to power on our camera. Then click on the mode button right here / power key until you find the settings. Then we need to click on it until we enter general settings, and here start to scroll down for ISO. Here we can enter it with a shutter button, and we can switch it between auto and all of the different options available. Keep in mind that there's actually 2 different pages, so that it means there's a lot of settings that we can set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.